because now you're talking about things that are important to her. And if she's a stranger and she's scanning, because her mind's scanning, like, man, my engine light on, and she sees, is your engine light on? Not sure what it is. Think it might cost you thousands of dollars, but you're scared to look. See, those are called hooks. You know, that's the hook, the headline. That's the thing that makes people read your post. So now that person's like, let me click on this. She can't not click on it. Why? Because her engine light's on. And she is scared it's going to cost her thousands of dollars. So now, as you see, as I've broken it down to you, if they're strangers, it's got to be something that's in it for them. It can't be vague, you know, and it can't be about you. You know, my system. And I do talk about my system a little bit here and there, but really more or less I talk about what my system does. You know, yes, the 7 Gets works. You know, because it allows you to easily attract, close, keep, and profit off each and every customer. So if you're in a position right now where you're thinking, man, summer's coming, I've spent my little tax money, I'm almost at a point where, ooh, yeah, I'm gonna need some more money.